is Putri Safira. My student number is 101. Today I will review about ELO or English Listening Lesson Online. And the first slide, what is ELO? ELO is a free website that offers English listening practice for learners of all levels. It has over 3,000 listening lessons that cover a variety of topics, from daily conversation to academic lectures. The lessons include audio or video, transcript, vocabulary support, and interactive quizzes. And second slide has an features in ELO website. Here are some common features you might find in an ELO. Firstly, audio content. The core of a listening lessons is audio recordings or podcasts that include dialogues, interviews, monologues, or other spoken content in English. Secondly, quiz. Exercise such as multiple choice question, true or false statements, or open-ended questions based on the audio content to assess understanding. Thirdly, transcript. Many lessons provide transcript or subtitles alongside the audio to help learners follow along and understand difficult words or phrases. Listening strategies. Tips and strategies for improving listening skills, such as predicting content, focusing on keywords, and recognizing different accent and speech patterns. Vocabulary list. Lesson often include vocabulary list with definition and example related to the audio content, helping learners expand their vocabulary. Feedback and discussion. Opportunities for learners to receive feedback on their listening skills and participate in discussion with instructors or other learners about the content. Progress tracking. Tools to track progress, such as quizzes or assessment, and feedback mechanisms to help learners identify areas for improvement. Cultural context. Lesson might include information about cultural nuances and context relevant to the audio content, enhancing understanding beyond language skills. Finally, additional resources. Links to supplementary materials, further readings, or related videos to deepen understanding and provide additional practice. And the third slide, how to use ELO. To effectively use an online platform for ELO, follow these general steps.
So, Rachel, did you grow up in New Zealand?
Yes, I did.
Nice. So, I grew up in the States, and I thought we would talk about how life is so much different for teens today than it was for our generation.
Registration and account creation. Sign up for an account if required. Some platforms may offer quiz access or allow browsing without an account, but creating one often gives you access to additional features and progress tracking. Navigation. Familiarize yourself with the website layout on navigation. Look for sections related to English listening lessons, which might be under categories like courses, lessons, or resources. Choose your level. Determine your current proficiency level in English listening skills. Many platforms categorize lessons by beginner, intermediate, and advanced. Start with the level that matches your current abilities. Select a lesson. Browse through the available lesson or courses. Choose a topic that interests you or align with your learning goals. Consider starting with a shorter lesson on introductory content if you are new to the platform. Start listening. Access the chosen lesson or audio content, listening attentively to the audio recordings provided. You may have option to play and pause, rewind, or adjust the speed of playback depending on the platform. Use transcript. If transcripts are available, Use them to follow along while listening. Pay attention to new vocabulary words or phrases and how they are used in context. Complete activities. Engage with comprehension question, vocabulary exercise, or other interactive activities associated with the lessons. These help reinforce understanding and language retention. Practice regularly. Consistency is key to improving listening skills. Schedule regular practice sessions on the platform to build your listening comprehension over time. Utilize additional features. Take advantage of any additional features such as vocabulary lists, cultural notes, or feedback mechanisms provided on the website to enhance your learning experience. Monitor progress. Keep track of your progress through quizzes, assessment, or completion markers if available. Review your performance to identify areas where you may need more practice. And finally, explore beyond. Explore other lessons, courses, or resources offered on the website to continue expanding your English listening skills and knowledge. In the last slide, there are strengths and weaknesses. Strengths: listening comprehension, vocabulary expansion, cultural understanding, improvement in pronunciation, and convenience and flexibility. And weaknesses, there are difficulty with listening speed, lack of contextual understanding, limited interaction, technical challenges, and over-reliance on transcript. Thank you for your attention. Please apologize if there are wrong words or pronunciation.